In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a DocuSign document. We'll walk through the main way to open a document directly from the DocuSign website, and then I'll also show you an alternate way to access it from your email. This is helpful if you need to quickly review an agreement, confirm details, or simply check the status of a document that has already been sent. To begin, go to the DocuSign homepage and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Agreement Activity section. This area gives you a quick snapshot of your recent documents, so if the file you need is listed there, you may be able to access it right away. If you want to see more than just the recent activity, click on Agreements. You can also use the Agreements tab to view the full list of documents in your account. This is the best option when you have several agreements and need to locate a specific one. Next, find the document you want to check. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct file, especially if the document names are similar. Once you've found it, click directly on the document name. That will open a new page with more details about the agreement. On this details page, look over to the right side for the Document Preview section. Click on Document Preview to open the file. Once you do that, the document will appear and you'll be able to review it from within DocuSign. This is the standard way to open a document on the DocuSign page itself, and it's useful when you want to stay inside your account while viewing agreement details. There's also another way to open a DocuSign document. If you receive the agreement by email, open that message and click Review Document. This will take you directly to the document so you can open and view it. It's a convenient option if you're accessing the file from your inbox rather than logging in through the main DocuSign dashboard. After the document opens, you can review everything you need. When you're done, you may close the document by clicking the Close button. That will return you to the previous screen. Finally, back on the document details page, you can click on Recipients if you want to view recipient-related information connected to that agreement. And that's it. That's how to open a DocuSign document, either from the DocuSign website or through the email review link.